By increasing your awareness and well-being, you can achieve anything that you can imagine in your life. Success stems from awareness and allows you to make decisions that lead to your successful future. If you're unaware of what's happening in your life, you won't know where you need to make the changes that will bring you more success in your life and your business. In today's podcast episode, I'm diving deeper into helping you increase your awareness and uncover where you need to make changes in your life or your business so that you can reach your potential and create the possibilities for your future success. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, understanding what is happening in your life or your business by increasing your awareness will have you on the fast track to success when you know exactly what's holding you back and what steps you need to take to reach the successful version of you in both your business and your personal life. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. We're building on the questions that you need to ask yourself to increase the awareness in your personal life, your career, or your business so that you are able to make decisions as to how you want to move forward and reach the ultimate goal and success that you're striving to achieve, as well as a better sense of well-being and balance in your life. I'm going to ask you some questions, and I want you to really think about these questions. They're going to help you raise your awareness about how you're living your life. They'll help you gain deeper insight into your awareness and will allow you to make decisions as to how you'll continue moving forward with your future, your potential, your possibilities, and your ultimate success. You'll know exactly where you should focus so that you can improve your overall well-being. Be honest with yourself and see where you have room to grow and how you can create a more positive, happy, and joyful life for yourself. If you can, pause after each question and really take the time to think about the question as well as write down your answers. The first question I want to ask you is whether you feel satisfied with your career or your business, or do you feel stuck and bored with your life? I know this question may sound harsh, but is your career or business giving you satisfaction? Do you feel there's more that you could be doing? If so, what is it? Where could you get more satisfaction? Next, what's holding you back from being the person that you wish to be or living the life that you want to live? Just because you have something that's holding you back, it doesn't mean that you need to get rid of it. Being aware of it alone will help you with the decision that you need to make. So what's holding you back? Who is the person you wish to be? Or what is the life that you wish that you were living? Now, I want you to think about what you wish you had more time for in your life. Why do you think you don't have time for it in your life right now? Are there things that you did in your past that you just don't have time for right now in your life? If so, why? What changed? What could you do differently so that you could have more time for this in your life? Next, do you feel like you have control over your calendar or your schedule? If not, ask yourself why. What do you think is the problem? Do you think that you should have control, or is it okay that you don't have control over your calendar or your schedule? Where do you see the issues coming up when it comes to having control over your calendar or your schedule? Now, I'd love to know how you've grown in the past 2 years. What are some of your accomplishments? Where did you see the most growth? Are you happy with how you have grown over the past 2 years? Where do you wish you would have grown more? Next, let's see what advice you would give your younger self. Is there anything that you wish you had known when you were younger that you know now? Why would you want to give your younger self this advice? How would it help your younger self? Is there anything you wish your younger self would have done to help you out today? The next question I have for you is, what is a commitment that you want to make for yourself? Why do you want to make this commitment? How will it make you feel once you've made this commitment? How will this commitment impact you in the future? Next, how do you currently take care of yourself at work and at home? Are you doing anything specific to take care of yourself? If so, what is it? How often do you do it? How does it make you feel when you do this? If you stopped doing these things, what would happen? Lastly, do you think it's hard to make time for yourself? If so, why? Do you think it's important to make time for yourself? What would happen if you didn't take time for yourself? Do you think that your well-being is impacted by the amount of time that you take for yourself? Do you think that it's important to have a positive well-being? And if so, why? Now that you've answered these questions, what are you more aware of? Is there anything in your life that you would like to start improving? Which areas do you think are the most important areas to start making improvements? How will you begin making these improvements? Take some time over the next few days to start setting goals so that you can be strategic in achieving everything that you're striving for in your life. If you're struggling with building awareness in your life, or if you're looking for a solution to develop your awareness, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, I'd love for you to join me in my Balanced Life Coaching program so that you can live a more purposeful life. Each week we meet privately, one-on-one, and you get to bring whatever is on your mind on any given week. It could be your highest priority that you want to work on, whatever you want more of in your life, or if there's something that's weighing on you heavily that you need coaching on, we'll work through it together. Having a certified life coach like me helping you through all of this allows you to feel so seen and cared for, and the results are amazing. Everyone benefits when they work with a certified life coach. After every call, you feel energized and you know exactly what to do for the week to come. And you have relief knowing that we'll meet again the next week to go over anything that comes up after the call. You'll gain self-awareness while you take each step towards your goals. This is a new coaching program, and I'm opening it with special pricing for a limited time. The investment is an easy yes for you. I've set this program up in the most supportive way for you. If you're ready to join the Balanced Life Coaching program, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. You'll see the link to join as well as additional information about the program. Sign up now. There are limited spots available for this program due to the one-on-one aspect, and it will sell out. If the payment link is gone, you can get on my wait list to join the program when additional spots are available. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I coach everybody on everything. Everyone has something that they want in their lives, and I help them get it. I know this is something that you've been waiting for. I've been asked by many of my listeners to create this exact program. I made the final touches on the program, and it's now available for you. I know how much you wanted it. The faster you get access to the program, the quicker that you'll see the possibilities available to you. I also have a risk-free guarantee. I believe so strongly that everyone benefits from coaching that when you sign up today, if for any reason you're not satisfied with your first session, you can send us an email and we'll refund you immediately. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Or did you want to wait? Make this investment for yourself. Take the journey with me. Make it happen for yourself. Ask yourself, why do you need this program in your life right now? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, and stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you become a thriving business owner while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.